Welcome to Non-Fiction Reviews. The Pragmatic Programmer is a classic book that provides practical advice and guidelines for software developers looking to improve their craft. Written by Andrew Hunt and David Thomas, two experienced programmers and consultants, the book has become a must-read for anyone who wants to become a better programmer. The authors start the book by introducing the concept of pragmatism, which they define as an approach to software development that emphasizes the importance of delivering working software quickly while keeping the code flexible and adaptable to change. They argue that the best programmers are those who can balance the desire for perfection with the realities of limited time, resources, and changing requirements. The book is divided into four main sections. The first section, A Pragmatic Philosophy, introduces the key concepts of the book, such as the importance of early and continuous testing, the need for automation, and the value of code reviews. The second section, The Basic Tools, covers essential programming tools, such as editors, version control systems, and debugging techniques. The authors provide tips and tricks for using these tools effectively and efficiently. The third section, Practices, focuses on specific programming practices that can improve code quality and maintainability, such as keeping the code dry, don't repeat yourself, avoiding duplication, and using design patterns. The final section, A Pragmatic Approach, ties everything together by providing practical advice on how to apply the concepts and tools covered in the previous sections to real-world programming projects. The authors emphasize the importance of communication and collaboration with other team members, and they provide guidance on how to manage projects, estimate time and resources, and prioritize tasks. One of the key takeaways from the book is the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. The authors argue that programming is a never-ending learning process and that developers must be willing to constantly adapt and learn new skills to stay relevant in the fast-paced world of software development. Another takeaway is the value of simplicity and clarity in code. The authors emphasize the importance of writing code that is easy to understand and maintain, and they provide specific tips for achieving this, such as using meaningful variable names and avoiding overly complex code. The book also highlights the importance of testing and debugging in the software development process. The authors argue that testing should be done early and often to catch bugs before they become harder to fix, and they provide specific techniques for writing effective tests and debugging code efficiently. Finally, the book emphasizes the importance of communication and collaboration in software development. The authors argue that successful projects require a team effort, and they provide guidance on how to communicate effectively with other team members, clients, and stakeholders. Here are 5 takeaways from the book. 1. Learn continuously. The authors emphasize the importance of continuously learning and expanding your skills. They suggest that developers should invest in themselves by regularly reading, taking courses, and attending conferences. 2. Think critically. The book advocates for thinking critically about all aspects of development, from requirements gathering to deployment. The authors suggest using various techniques, such as domain modeling and prototyping, to help clarify thinking and identify potential problems. 3. Embrace automation. The book recommends automating as much as possible, including testing, builds, and deployments. The authors suggest using tools and scripts to save time and reduce errors, but also emphasize the importance of understanding the underlying processes. 4. Focus on simplicity. The authors encourage developers to favor simplicity over complexity. They suggest using principles such as the broken window theory to prevent technical debt and always looking for opportunities to simplify code and processes. 5. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is key to successful software development, and the authors suggest a variety of techniques to facilitate it. They emphasize the importance of listening actively, writing clearly, and using tools such as wikis and issue trackers to ensure everyone is on the same page. Overall, The Pragmatic Programmer is a must-read for any software developer looking to improve their skills and approach to programming. The book provides practical advice and guidance that can be applied to any programming project, regardless of the programming language or technology used. The author's emphasis on continuous learning, simplicity, and collaboration make this book a timeless classic that will continue to be relevant for years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on non-fiction. Let us know in the comments what other non-fiction books you like to see on our channel.